Okay, I'm going to do a quick review on Lot Farmington Hickory Smoked Bacon. This is a Lot product. They have 100% guarantee on the products. You're not happy, you can take it back to the store and they'll give you your money back. This is a 12-ounce size package of it. Serving size is 2 pieces. Servings per container 6. Calories 90. Calories from fat 60. Total fat 7 grams. Saturated fat 2.5 grams. 15 milligrams of cholesterol, 270 milligrams sodium. 5 grams of protein. That's pretty good bacon. I'm getting ready to cook me some of it. I'm not gonna bore you guys showing me cooking it on the stove. Pretty much everybody knows how to cook bacon. That's pretty much basic cooking skills. So I'm gonna put you on pause and cook some, and once I get done, I'll show you what it looks like when it's cooked. Okay, I'm back. I've got it cooked now. It's pretty good bacon. It shrinks, but I ain't found bacon doesn't shrink when you cook it. I've fried it here. This is something I cook all the time. Something I cook a lot. I buy this bacon, save a lot of time and cook it. You know, I like it. Roommates buy it and they cook it for them and the kids. They like it. It's pretty good bacon. I done put it in the fridge. Hang on a second. Yeah, it's pretty good bacon. I've said I've cooked it. I buy it and cook it all the time. My roommates buy it and cook it all the time. And everybody likes it. This is the Lot Farmington Hickory Smoked bacon. It's, like I said, it's pretty good bacon. It's got a good taste to it. That'll take about a few minutes to cook.